Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 62 registered Mercedes-Benz SLK200. Now this is the petrol engined SLK AMG Sport, so it's top of the range with all the nice features, some very nice optional extras. So let's take a look at this one. So this is finished in Obsidian black metallic paintwork, and this is as good as I've seen any paintwork that's 10 years old on any vehicle. Now it's just done under 50,000 miles and it's in absolutely wonderful condition all the way throughout. Now the car's sat on the standard 18-inch 5-spokes, but they've been powder coated in titanium grey, and I think that really does suit the vehicle wonderfully well. Now when you take a look around the car, you can tell it's been truly cherished because the paintwork and the all-round condition is just wonderful. I've kept the roof up for the video, but we'll take it down halfway through. When you take a look down the side, you can see the absolute lovely lacquer finish on that paint. No dent man dings or trolley dents around the vehicle, in lovely condition. Have a look at the wheels. I'll show you all 4 wheels. They're all in uncurbed condition also. SLK200, so as we come round the back, we've got the twin tailpipes. This car's got some wonderful extras. So we've got parking sensors front and rear. We've got air scarf, which blows warm air down your neck. We've got heated seats. We've got glass panoramic roof. We've got full leather interior. So really, as this car came out, whoever owned it knew ticked nearly every box. We've even got the Becker satellite navigation module in there as well, which you had to buy as an additional £500 extra when you bought the cars new. So as I open the door, just look at that. Full black, luxury leather, white contrast stitch, aluminium detailing, twin electric windows, electric door mirrors, the aluminium tread plates in nice condition. We've got the set of AMG tailored mats, 2 keys. If you look at the service documentation, up to 2020, it's all Mercedes-Benz from brand new. We'll service it before it leaves Alpha Motors here in Wigan. There's your air scarf, so that blows warm air onto your neck. Jumping into the vehicle, I'll start her up for you. No warning lights or anything on the dashboard. We've got the radio there. I'll just quickly run through that. We've got a CD Autochanger, nice option as well. Navigation, so that's your navigation. Bluetooth phone. Here we've got heated seats and air scarf. So there's your seat, there's your air scarf. The car's only done 49,762 miles, so that little light's now telling me that the power roof is in operation. As I look round the car, the aluminium and the leather is all in wonderful order throughout. Beautiful, beautiful condition car this. I don't smoke, I can tell the last owners were no smokers on this one. Parking sensors and Parktronic are up on your dashboard, so that's that little light there, and there's one in the rear as well. Leather trim multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, but all in all a wonderful, wonderful car. Aluminium detailing throughout is in very, very nice condition. Traction control and climate control, all pretty much a standard feature. As I get out the car, you can see that the overall condition is just really, really wonderful. To say that it's over 10 years old, you didn't put a private reg on and you would not think that that was that age of a car. Beautiful, lovely condition, petrol engine, so absolutely no issues with running, but a wonderful car throughout. Book packs there, 2 keys are there, everything is there. There is nothing on that car that would detract anybody buying it. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm Graham, we've got Dom and Lee. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call. If you need finance, we can do finance on it also. Check out our socials, check out our reviews. You'll see we're a 5-star dealer, having been in business now over 40 years in Wigan. But as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.